Hey guys, so this is my next, ridiculous thing I'm building here. This should be fun. A redneck pogo stick. So I'm using some old dirt bike shocks here. So basically I'm just cutting these down, so slicing them down so they'll slide over, and then when I weld them on, they'll be a good tight fit. Good old redneck pogo here. So it's going to be a lot wider because this tube's going to be in the middle with the pegs coming off it. Redneck pogo stick coming along here, and this goes on the bottom. You join them together. It's your foot to send it and save money. Okay, so working on the pogo stick, I'm going to clamp both ends here. Got everything lined up. Finished, just working on a handle, a couple extra more mounts, and yeah, we'll be jumping in no time. Send it and save money. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the redneck pogo stick. It's quite the contraption, as you can see. There's the top on, going down, getting there. Just got a few bowls to make, and yeah, I'm gonna be pogoing around. Put a center on it because it's gonna be too unruly, but that's the pogo. Redneck Pogo, almost done.